Piny owacho e bwo migawo mar somo osechako chenro mar nono kendo puodho jogo mani kod lony mag tije lwedo mopogore maneno ni chiwonegi oboke moyiedhi mag tije magitimo. Jagoro mako jolo mar kuonde tiegruok mag TVETs Joseph Njau okoni chenro mar puodho funde makamago timore bang' yangore ni thoth funde osebedo ka somo tije lwedo e lwet funde mamoko e kor pap kendo gionge gi oboke moyiedhi mayangogi kaka jolony. Jatelono ne loso Mombasa ka tiegruok mar Kenya Coast National Polytechnic kuma bende ne osidhe ayanga chenrono kama funde duto maonge obok moyiedhi ibiro non kaeto ichiwonegi obok ma bende nyalo konyogi kata jologi e yudo rage ma ichiwo gi piny owacho.
When you talk about the recognition of prior learning, I believe all of us, we know about the Juakali, whereby we have people who are having very high skills, but these guys, most often at times, they do not have anything to show in terms of certification, and therefore when maybe a job comes along, whereby somebody is required to show his certificate for him to be employed, these people cannot be employed, and as such they get a low deal. And that is why we, as a government, decided to mount the RPO program, whereby we shall be looking at the skills gained by somebody.
Currently, we have candidates that are waiting for assessment, about 100 of them, which my boss has talked about. So after this training, we are going to assess those 100 candidates. Already it's a sponsored program. They are not paying anything because the ministry negotiated with the African Development Bank and FDB is paying for them for assessment.
Tusibague mtu kwa ajili ya kisomo chake, tusibague mtu labda kwa rangi yake, labda kwa dini na kadhalika ama jinsia.
We have 24 institutions in the Coast Region, TVET, and we are ready to implement RPL. All these institutions are now assessment centers for RPL. Join the nearest institution.